What do you mean by akar? You already know, and you say, yes, this man is talking sense. Sense, because this is what you have believed in always. I'm not here to support your belief. I have to take your beliefs away. I'm not to inspire you, because all inspiration creates slavery. If you are inspired by me, you will become a slave. You will become dependent on me. I don't inspire. I simply go on shattering, shocking. Sooner or later, I am here, you are here, and we are tremendously connected, but there is no slavery, no dependence. We relate, but there is no question of inspiration, because one who inspires you automatically becomes important for you. So much so that you start feeling dependent. You are searching for a father figure who can inspire you, who can put a little fire in your dull and dead life. But if somebody else puts fire in your life, he becomes powerful over you. I am not here to put any fire in you. I am just to help you to see your own fire. Be a light unto yourself. Inspiration will mean you will follow somebody else. You will imitate. You will become a Christian or a Hindu or a Mohammedan. Sannyas is a declaration that you are no more a Hindu, no more a Christian, no more a Mohammedan. That you don't belong to any creed, any dogma. I have no creed, no dogma. Becoming a sannyasin simply means that you have declared your freedom. But certainly, the question arises, why? Orange, mala, and the photograph, why? This is a device, dear lady, to keep unwanted people out. This is not for the crowds. This place is not for the crowds. It is not for the mob. It is only for the chosen few. The ultimate, call it God's enlightenment, is only for those who are really courageous, immensely courageous. Because the ultimate becomes available only to those who can drop the mind and move into the immediate. The immediate is the door of the ultimate, and to drop the mind needs great courage. It is not for everybody. This is just a device. Orange is as good as any other color, or no color. It has nothing special about it. I could have chosen any green, black. That would have done. But the purpose is, it is a device.